In this video, we are going to create a pivot table with expedition data. When creating a pivot table, you want to make sure each column has a heading. In this data set, we can see column C is missing a header. So let's add the year for this column. Now that we have a title for each column, we can select our data and then go to Insert Pivot Table. Make sure the range appears accurate for the data you are working with, and then click OK. Now we can build our report using the pivot table. Let's put nation data in the rows and season data in the columns. For this particular report, we are going to count the number of expeditions that fit the criteria. On the expedition count, let's edit the number format. We'll select number, no decimal places, and include commas. And we can see the number of expeditions for each nation by season. Now let's change the season to host nation. We'll remove season, add host nation. Let's label the columns host nation, label the rows nation. Let's filter out the blank and unknown cells. We'll do the same for the nations data. And now our report data shows us the number of expeditions for each nation by host nation. Let's take the pivot table one step further and add a chart to illustrate the data. Highlight the report, then insert pivot chart. For this instance, we are going to choose the bar chart. Let's make the chart fit the screen a bit better. And now we have our report data along with a chart. And this is one way to use pivot tables to analyze data.